Hello YouTube. My name is Chuck E. Cheese. I got a van life or RV life and a DIY. I like to introduce about the my tools for maybe if you have it as a easy to use it, easy to construction about the your van or RV or so I like to introduce like this as a saw, drill, saw, and three batteries, and a nail gun, vacuum cleaner, saw, charger. This one is a air for tire or ball or something. Oh, my RV is 2018 as Maselli Sprinter van, something like this. So, like first of all, about drill, this one is easy to hook up, you know, like this, and pull or push, pull. It's very simple to hook up. I love this one. And also, this guy is like an old style drill. You know, if you have a two, one, this is making hole, then this is screw. If you have a two, I like to recommend two. And so this guy, is a carve or something like this. Is a easy, easy to cut turn or something like this. And of course, this is very important. Table saw also very nice, but for van life, that's too heavy to me. So, but I had it, but I gave it away. This one, and I like to recommend this guy because if you cut wood like this, it's not easy to the cut straight. But if you use this one, hook like this, and together like this, easy to straight cut. So I like to recommend if you start about the DIY making camping car or something, this is a very important. Easy, very nice. And now, of course, vacuum cleaner, convenience. And this guy is a huge wood, inside like a base wood cut, because this is a saw is a longer, easy to cut. But this blade is moving, so hard to cut straight. This one. But this is a very convenience. Of course, need to the battery charger. And if you have a three, very good. If you four, more good. Most important to me is I like to recommend nail gun. This is so great. Because if you attach frame to the wood, is a frame hard to make a hole. Sometimes screw moving like this, then wood hard to put together. Very, very tough, not easy. So if you make a base wood to the frame, then after use nail gun, I'm a beginner, but not professional. You can do it as a smooth like this, easy. So I like to recommend this guy. It's so great, so nice job. So, of course you gotta need to get clean. And also, this guy, so convenience, a little longer, better. It's just, if smaller, you should bend in like this. Very tough to bend in. But this guy, very simple. You can do like this. You can do easy, easy. So I like to recommend this guy also. Very, very, very convenience. Yeah, I love, as a RV like this, looks not bad, everything I did myself. I watching YouTube and asking many people how can I do, what type is, electric better or something, something like this. Very nice convenience, hook up like this, stuff like this also. And oh. Let me show outside. Oh my. Very simple like this. I'm in La Jolla right now. Outside. Nice view. San Diego, California. Thank you for watching YouTube. Thank you, mucho gato, arigato, obrigado, merci beaucoup. Thank you, pew.